4 everyday superfoods your body will thank you for. Did you know some of the healthiest remedies for common problems are sitting right in your kitchen? Let's talk about coffee, olive oil, honey, and lime, and how they support your body naturally. Please do not forget to follow, share, like, and comment for more videos. 1. Coffee. This is your liver's best friend. Studies show that moderate coffee drinking can help reduce fat buildup in the liver and protect against liver disease. Rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation. 2. Olive oil, as this helps to smooth digestion support. A spoonful of extra virgin olive oil can ease constipation naturally by softening stool and helping digestion. Also supports healthy cholesterol and heart function. 3. Honey, a natural remedies for soothing cough. A spoonful of raw honey can calm a sore throat and reduce coughing, especially at night. Natural antibacterial and healing properties make it a powerful immune booster. 4. Lime. This is a skin and body cleanser. Lime water is packed with vitamin C, helping your body fight infections. Its antioxidants may soothe eczema flare-ups and promote clearer skin. Try a warm cup of water with honey plus lime in the morning, enjoy your coffee in moderation, and drizzle olive oil on salads. Small habits, big health wins. Which of these remedies do you use most often? Comment below. Let's share kitchen wisdom together. Please like and share for more videos.